Hi everyone, welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 5 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Today's topic is, what do you need more of in your life right now? To answer this one big question, I'll go through some guiding questions. Before I share my answers, let me first read the guiding question so you can also think about them for yourself. The first one is it time, energy, peace, money, confidence, or something else? The second one is, why do you feel this is what you need most right now? The third one is, would your life change if you had more of it? And the final one is, what steps can you take to invite it into your life? All right, let me share my personal answers to the questions now. So the first one is it time, energy, peace, money, connection, confidence, or something else? So for me, the most important thing is mainly confidence, but also peace of mind. Confidence is something I always feel I need more of because sometimes I hesitate too much before making decisions, and that's quite a burden that leads me to lose lots of opportunities. And peace of mind is also important because without it, even if you have opportunities, you can't really focus and enjoy them freely. And why do I feel this is what I need most right now? I feel this way because I'm at a stage in my life where I want to grow, but doubts and stress often stop me. For example, when I started this challenge, I questioned myself a lot. Am I good enough? Would people care about my videos? The lack of confidence could have made me give up before even starting. And peace is also important because stress makes everything heavier. And I know that with more calm, I'd be able to think clearly and move forward. That's why it feels so important to me at this moment. How would my life change if I had more of both? If I had more of confidence, I think my life will definitely change. I would take more risks, not be afraid to try new projects, and maybe even create more opportunities for myself. And with peace of mind, I would be able to focus better, make clearer decisions, and enjoy the process instead of just worrying about the results. I think with more inner peace, I would feel lighter, happier, and more motivated every day. Okay, so it's great to talk about things I'd like would happen in my life, but what step can I take concretely to make it happen in my life? This is actually the most important part. So to invite more confidence, I have to keep practicing, keep showing up, even if it feels uncomfortable. These videos are great example. Every day I push myself, I prove to myself that I can do it, and step by step I build more self-trust. And for peace of mind, I can try to manage my thoughts better, maybe by journaling, taking short walks outside, or spending time in silence. With small actions, we can create something big. To sum it up, what I need most right now is confidence and peace. Confidence to take actions without fear, and peace to stay calm and focus on my journey. Both of them will help me grow, achieve independence, and enjoy life more fully. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me in the comments, what do you need more of in your life right now? I'd love to hear your answers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for day 6 of the challenge. See you next time. Cheers.